Hello friends, welcome back to Kaydanivato. Today we are diving into the chapter 27 of Bhartiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023. This chapter deals with the when accused is unsound mind. In this chapter our statute provide crucial safeguards in our criminal justice system. So let's break down this chapter. Chapter 27 provisions as to accused person of unsound mind. Section wise explanation in short. Clause 367. If someone accused appears to be of unsound mind, the court must first assess their mental fitness before proceeding. Clause 368. If found unsound, the trial is adjusted, perhaps posed or conducted differently to ensure fairness. Clause 369. The accused may be released pending investigation or trial if they lack soundness of mind. Clause 370. Once their mental condition improves, the inquiry or trial resume. Clause 371 and 372. This establish how the accused should appear before court and what happens when they regain clarity. Clause 373 and 374. If truly unsound, the accused is acquitted but may then be detained in safe custody rather than released outright. Section 375. The state government can empower an officer to supervise such a person's discharge or care. Clause 376 and 377. Should a person previously unfit become fit for defense, procedure are defined for how the trial proceeds or how the release is managed. Clause 378. Finally, if release occurs, the accused can be entrusted to a relative or friend for care. So friends, this was the chapter 27 which deals the provision as to accuse when find unsound during the trial. If you find this breakdown is useful, then share, like and subscribe this channel. We will meet soon with next chapter. Till then, bye, take care, Jai Hind, stay connected with Kaydanivato.